Imagine this. You're sitting in a meeting at work. You have a brilliant idea, but you stay quiet. Your heart's pounding. Your palms are sweating. It feels like if you say the wrong thing, something terrible will happen. And here's what's remarkable. A long time ago, it really was terrible. Deadly, in fact. For millions of years of evolution, our ancestors, from Homo erectus to Homo sapiens, survived only in groups. The tribe meant warmth, food, protection. A lone human on the savannah wasn't some brave hero, it was prey. So evolution built a rule deep into our brains. Stick with the tribe. Conform. Don't stand out. But how does this actually work inside your head?
Deep in your brain, there's a structure called the amygdala. It's responsible for detecting threats. And to the amygdala, there's no difference between a growling predator and a judgmental look from a coworker. The signal is the same. Danger. You might be cast out. And for the ancient brain, being cast out from the group didn't just hurt. It was a death sentence. But this isn't just theory. It's been proven experimentally. In the 1950s, psychologist Solomon Asch ran a famous series of experiments. He showed people lines of different lengths and asked a simple question. Which one matches the sample? The answer was obvious, but planted actors deliberately gave the wrong answer. And 75% of test subjects agreed with the majority at least once, even when they could clearly see the majority was wrong. They physically could not bring themselves to be the odd one out.
But conformity isn't the only thing the ancient brain programmed into us. There's another mechanism running right now. Ethologists and evolutionary biologists describe it as the instinct to obey the leader. Every primate group, from chimpanzees to humans, naturally forms hierarchies. Anyone who challenges the alpha and loses ends up at the bottom, or outside the group entirely. That's why arguing with your boss feels so physically uncomfortable. It's not about the job, it's about survival.
All of this happened in the 1950s, on the plains of Africa, in caves. But what happens when this ancient instinct collides with 21st century technology? Think about social media. Every like is a signal. The tribe accepts you. Every hate comment, the tribe rejects you. That's why a single negative comment can ruin your entire day, even surrounded by hundreds of positive ones. Your brain is wired to detect the threat of rejection first. Millions of years of evolution don't vanish in a few millennia of civilization. We wear suits and scroll through smartphones, but inside us, there's still that same primate who simply doesn't want to be driven from the fire. But here's the good news. Awareness is already a superpower. Next time you're afraid to speak up, remember, it's not you being a coward. It's millions of years of instinct screaming, "Stay quiet!" But the predators are gone, and you can choose not to listen.
Inside every one of us lives an ancient program written by savannas and caves. It makes us fear other people's opinions more than we deserve to. But now you know where that fear comes from, and knowledge is the first step to freedom. Think about it. When was the last time you stayed silent, even though you wanted to speak? Tell us in the comments. I promise, nobody's going to exile you. And if you're curious why charismatic leaders control crowds so easily, subscribe. The next video is all about that. It's an instinct too. See you there.